Hi, you put a big investment in your leather shoes, right? I'm Wendy Braswell, style and beauty expert. I'm going to show you today how to take care of your leather shoes, how to make them look good. The #1 rule to make your leather shoes look good is to have them clean. So come with me and I'll show you. There's just a couple things you need for that. When you have leather shoes, they get wear and tear, they get faded and worn. To make your leather shoes look good, you're going to need to keep them clean, correct? So you need a clean towel, 2 clean towels, and some Vaseline. Inexpensive, right? You can use shoe polish, but I like Vaseline. I'll show you how to do it. So to make your leather shoes look good, first of all, you need to wipe them down. We're going to wipe them down, get the dust off, all right? Second, we're going to take a clean towel, and you're going to dip it in your Vaseline, and we're going to polish them just a little bit to make your leather shoes shine and show that beautiful leather texture. This is how you make your leather shoes look good. Also, store those leather shoes immediately when you get home and store them up to keep them looking good. Simple. You can see the difference already in these two. Inexpensive, simple, you just need 2 towels and Vaseline, and that's how you make your leather shoes look good. I'm Wendy Braswell. You can find me on the web at wendybraswell.com.